Okay, now that we have all 4 parts drawn and dimensioned, and again, you can use any parts you want for the other 2. I want you to do those first 2 that we did together, and then for the practice, select 2 other parts. And I have 4 sheets here. Now what we're going to do is print those as a PDF, and then from the PDF we can also send them to the printer. So we'll show you how to do that. So first of all, we'll go up to our document menu and print, select print, and there's also an option here to download this. But the best thing to do is just select the print button, and then save as a PDF should be your destination. You'll have a bunch of destinations, whatever printers are installed on the computer, but just do save as a PDF. And that will be your destination, and you have an option if you want to print all the pages, which of course we want them all as a PDF. So we would just select save, and then where that's going to go probably on your computer would be to your downloads folder, which will just be a temporary place, and you should name this file you know, fun dimensioning. Okay, and then go ahead and save that as your PDF. And then after you do that, back on your Google Classroom, that's where you can submit your document. Okay, the other thing we want to do is be able to print this out for our engineer's notebook. And in order to do that, you're going to want to set your default printer to HSPLTW. Do not use the color printer. It usually has 11 by 17 paper in it, and one copy costs 75 cents as opposed to 5 cents. So please do not use the color printer. Use the default printer, HSPLTW, and you'll want to set that printer as your default. Now how you do that, if you just go into your search menu and look for printers and scanners, okay, it'll bring up the printers that are installed on your computer, and you should find one of those printers should be the HSPLTW printer. Right click that and make that the default. Once you do that, okay, and then to print for your notebook, instead of 1 page per sheet, we're going to save a little bit of paper. So then we can do 4 pages per sheet. So that'll basically print out little thumbnails for your engineer's notebook on 1 piece of paper. And then this time, of course, select the HSPLTW printer to print out your document. And then you can get your scissors and cut and tape and put your drawings in your notebook.